Hey y'all, what up, what up, what up? It's a 2-for-1 special today. So we starting today with the peppermint candy cane dip conditioner from Miche Beauty. I love me some Miche Beauty if you don't know already. So this actually was from the finger coil video that I uploaded as well. My hair felt absolutely awful. If you watch that video after using that co-wash from Africa's Best, my hair was just a little bit too dry. See, I know I had to come out with the big guns. So I've tried other products, other deep conditioners from Miche Beauty. I actually have a staple deep conditioner, which is from Miche Beauty. So I was like, let me see what this peppermint thing's talking about. Now, this peppermint product kind of has similar, ingredients to the staple deep conditioner that I love from Miche Beauty. It definitely has a ton of slip, as you guys can see. It is loaded with fatty acids. The only thing I would say it's really missing, honestly, is the marshmallow root, which is fine though, because I have slip anyway from this product, so it really was alright that it wasn't in there. The only thing with this, there are amino acids in this, there is protein in this, but it didn't really have an effect on my hair. The protein is so far down on the list, I kind of was just like, I didn't even notice it till I read the ingredients. So I went through and had to smooth the product through my hair, and look at that, them tangles was just gone. Just gone like some edges, child. And it was just so easy for me to get through my hair. It was absolutely insane. I just don't understand. What? It's absolutely amazing. Now, I do know that this product, they released, I think it was 3 deep conditioners that were limited edition. But I will be posting a dupe, so make sure y'all stay tuned. An amazing dupe for this product. It does the same exact thing. There's just no protein in that dupe, but honestly, they work very much the same. My hair didn't feel, if you would say, quote unquote, strengthened from this. It didn't feel like it was going into protein overload. I feel like the dupe that I am gonna give y'all is super amazing. I've actually posted this dupe already on my channel, so leave a comment down below to let me know what y'all think the dupe is. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through and deep condition. I did leave this on my hair for 45 minutes. I, however, did not do what I usually do, which is sit under a deep conditioning cap or sit under a hooded dryer, because I honestly just didn't have the patience or the time to that day. I just left it under the plastic cap, and it worked all the same. Trust me on that. Okay, Miche is always gonna come through with the deep conditioners. So stay tuned for the dupe. I'll be back. By the way, did y'all catch that Keisha Cole and Ashanti versus? Bless Jesus. Happy Friday, y'all.
Chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey. Look, pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. I am so glad your mama like me. Sweat up with Cupid, told her fight me. I stole your love, he shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR. Tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true, you mean the world to me. Travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Look, you know you the baddest in the game. Show you how to blow like Lil Wayne. Baby, I ain't hard to please. Girl, tell me what you need. Year-round Valentine, I'm just tryna get some time with you. Would you spend the night with me? Maybe spend your life with me. Check me if I'm trifling. Let me be your bestie. Bonnie and Clyde when we flexing. Baby, we can stand the test of time, and you ain't even gotta second guess that. You mean the world to me. I travel around the globe, but I know that you the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know, she likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine.
sober thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes, instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up.
Alright, so if you stay tuned to this part of the video, that means you want to know the tea. Let me give you the tea, sis. The dupe is literally the Indulge Deep Conditioner from their line. It does the same exact thing. It feels exact the same on my low porosity hair. I've never tried Strengthen, so I'm not sure if that's maybe a better dupe because it is protein. But this is a great dupe if you just can't get your hands on this peppermint deep conditioner anymore. So don't ever say I ain't help y'all with the tea now. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. You know that I do. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Trying to act like you forgot. You're acting like I'm crazy, like I made this up. But baby,